Mathematics is the queen of sciences. There is mathematics everywhere in nature. Show a place, a thing, matter, energy, force, etc. Wherever there are numbers, mathematics is there. And numbers are everywhere. Therefore, mathematics is everywhere. The planets go around the sun in precise orbits. The sun goes around the universe in a precise orbit. The electrons go around the nucleus of an atom in precise orbits. There is an order in all this. Wherever there is an order or rhythm, there is mathematics. Mathematics is in light, and mathematics is in sound. Mathematics is in order and also in disorder. The chaos theory is an example of mathematics in disorder. Mathematics is in the predictable and also in random. The shape of a flower, leaves, fruits, almost everything can be expressed as ideas in mathematics. They say that beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Yes, it is so. But a thing or music set to the golden standard or the golden ratio is universally appealing. There is the Fibonacci series in nature. The structure of a shell of an oyster is an expression of the Fibonacci series. Nature has made the insect called cicada to reproduce in 13-year cycle or a 17-year cycle. The numbers 13 and 17 are prime numbers. Because of this, cicada experiences lesser predator attacks. In short, we can say that mathematics is the language of nature. And verily yes, mathematics is the language of nature and the universe.